For this video, I will show you how to verify Shopify domain on Facebook Business Manager. On your Business Manager settings, click on Brand Safety, then select Domains. Click on Add and create a new domain. Now, input the domain of your store, then click on Add. Now you need to copy your meta tag. After that, go back to your Shopify store, click on Online Store, select Action button, and click Edit Code. On the left side, go to Theme Liquid and the header section. Paste the code you copied earlier and click Save. Now go back to your business settings and click on Verify Domain. As you can see, your store is now verified. But we are not done yet. Go back to your Shopify store. Click on Settings on the lower left corner. Then go to Domains. Select your Shopify domain and copy it. Now go back to Business Settings and create again a new domain. Paste your Shopify domain and click Add. Now copy again your meta tag. Go again to Shopify. Click on Actions. Choose Edit Code. Then go to Theme Liquid. Under Header, you will paste again the meta tag, then click Save. Now, go back again to Business Settings, click on Verify Domain, and that's it. Your Shopify domain is now verified on Facebook Business Manager. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon.